Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the poster mockup in Pixlr. So first just go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then we'll double click the Pixlr X Start a Design Project button, and then click Open Image to open the mockup off the computer. And then depending on which mockup you purchase, you may have different images with backgrounds. Just click the one you want to use and then click Open. And it'll ask us if we want to size the image down, so just click Original and then click Apply. And that'll open the original size. Now to add your design, you just click the icon of the square with the lines in it that says Add Element Image when you hover over it, and then click the Add Media button, and then find the design off your computer, and it's going to add the design just like that. You might need to resize it a little bit. To do that, just click any of the four corners and drag to size it up or down. And then when you see the forward remove tool, you can just kind of click and drag the design into place. And to make it look a little more natural, you might want to change the blend mode. To do that, just click on the three-dot icon in the upper right-hand corner of the thumbnail icon in the Layers panel. And it's going to open up the Layer menu. And under blend mode, you can just click this little drop-down menu to change None to Multiply, and that'll kind of knock out the white background and make it look a little more natural. And then now you're pretty much done. To save it, you just want to click the Save button at the bottom. And if you're going to use this as a thumbnail online on a website like Etsy, you want to save a version as a JPG. So just make sure JPG is selected and then change the quality to 100. I leave it on high and then just click Save As. And it'll let you choose where you want to save it. And you can change the name here for each of your designs. If you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you can just click Save Again. And this time, click PXE and then click Save As. You could also click the button next to Non-Destructive to make sure everything is as you want it to be. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPG version of the poster mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you, and have a great night.